Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another sprinkler tech tip video. I'm sprinkler nerd Andy, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Irritrol Total Control Total Controller. Let's see if it actually is a total controller. I think that, well, technology's come a long way in the last 20 years, and I don't know exactly when this controller was, invented or manufactured, but I think it's 15 years or so it's been around. And it might not offer some of these newer options like Wi-Fi and smartphone compatible and those sorts of things. But what I do know about this controller is that it is very, very durable. All the boards and the way it's made, it's a very durable controller. So with that in mind, I think that might justify the price because it's a little bit more expensive than other controllers that you can find today that have all this fancy technology. So be a great controller, I think, for, going out on ball fields, commercial applications, institutional applications where you just need a controller to work and work for a long time. Okay, let's flip the camera over and get inside the box. Okay, first step, see how to open this baby. Here we go. Got the trusty instruction manual that nobody ever looks at, right? Let's pull it out. And we were checking this out earlier today, which is why it's not all nicely packaged. And here's the cute little key. What we're gonna do. Actually, it may not even be locked. Let's take a look. Oh, yes it is. Let's open it up. There is the Total Controller. And what we did with this one is we have a pigtail still on here, but you can, one of the advantages to this is you can hardwire it directly up to the 120 without plugging it into the wall if you want to with a pigtail. And it's got a really easy to open face panel. Let's see what else. This particular one is the 12 station version. You can see stations 1 through 12 on there. And then, it has I would say a pretty easy to program interface. Very, very similar to a lot of the controllers that were designed, 10, 15 years ago with your 4 programs, runtime, start time, days of the week. And then one thing I learned, when actually reading the box here just a minute ago that I didn't realize about this controller is it has a delay between stations. And that may not be relevant to you, but a delay between stations is very helpful sometimes for systems that are attached to a well. Sometimes well need to be recovered, so you can only run for, let's say, 30 minutes, and then you need to kind of wait for 5 minutes or so, or some period of time for that well to recover. So with this particular controller, there is that delay between stations that you can set up. So I think that there's really not a whole lot to show you on this guy. It's got a durable box. Like I said, I think that this controller would be good for maybe not extreme environments, but definitely hold up better than a lot of lighter weight, less expensive controllers. And yeah, that is Irritrol's Total Control 12 station controller. And if we can help you with any of your Irritrol controller needs or Irritrol system needs, or Toro or Rainbird or Hunter or Netafim or K-Rain or Weathermatic, we're happy to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email anytime. And until the next tech tip, happy sprinkling, and we'll talk to you then.